So I've come here for the Cellar Cup weekend in Newcastle, and just had a crap experience on the train. So we were coming from Carlisle to Newcastle, and about 12 teenagers, young lads, entered the train at Hexham and were being quite loud, aggressive, had a drink on them. Later on realised that they had drugs on them as well, and they had insufficient tickets, so they had a ticket for one way but not a return, which they were on, so they were on the return. And so the ticket officers said, right, you have to leave the train at the next station. And at the next station, as they were leaving the train, they proceeded to rob some lady's headphones. She was clearly distressed. A few people on the train got up and exited the train to try and catch these teenagers, but with no success, because they had a limited time, because the train had to depart on with its journey. But not all the youths left when the train stopped. Two tried to stay on to be rebellious, and as soon as I found out what was going on, I just got up and turned around and said to them, get off the train, get off the train, get off this train. And everyone that was on the train was saying, we would never have done that. We would never have done that growing up. What's wrong with the system now? Why do they think that they can just disrespect anyone? Not just the elders, just anyone. We've gotten too soft. We need to step up. Anyway, I'm sorry this is the start of my video of the Cellar Cup weekend. But yeah, it's unfortunate, and that lady was really shook up. She was really shook up. She got her headphones pinched, but it wasn't the expense of the headphones. It was just the shock, and it's just upsetting. It's triggered me, and it's upset me. So I give her a hug. I give her a hug. That's all I could do, really. Everyone was, saying, "Are you all right?" and stuff. But yeah, anyway, hopefully she'll be back with. I think she said she was going to stop at her mum's tonight, so she'll be in safe hands tonight. So yeah, just unfortunate. But anyway, we are now in Newcastle. Ooh. We've come down to one of my favourite locations, just when you step around this corner. Ooh. And then you come across the majesticness of the Tyne Bridge. I'm going to stop recording here because I'm not in the mood because of what happened, so I'll resume shortly.